544. This summer, the American Heart Association and the American Stroke Association are unleashing the power of cycling.
Well, we're proud to be a partner in CycleNation. Heather Mills, as you saw, is already downstairs, and you have a bunch of co-riders this morning as you tell us about the program.
I do, Tom. Erica, good morning. Yeah, they're all behind me. They're working hard. They've got a long morning ahead. I'm just kind of taking an easy stroll. We are here. We are talking about CycleNation. I've got Chris King with me this morning, who is an avid cyclist herself, a mountain biker, from what I understand. Talk to me about this event, the CycleNation. What is it? Why is it important?
CycleNation's a movement that empowers the nation to leverage the sport of cycling to promote heart health, brain health, to raise money for community organizations and education programs, as well as critical research that is dedicated to ending heart disease and stroke. Okay,
and all partnering with the American Heart Association. Cycling, as I mentioned, you're a big fan. You're a mountain biker. You have a pretty personal story to tell. You keep biking, although you've suffered a heart attack yourself.
That's right. Right.
So tell me how. What happened? You were a cyclist before.
17 months ago, I was on a mountain biking trail and near my home in Castle Rock and pulled into my garage afterwards. Felt a tightness in my chest, and 2 minutes later I was on the floor with my arms numb, my excruciating pain in my chest.
Wow.
Thanks to a wonderfully decisive action by my wife Michelle, I was at the hospital within 60 minutes. I was on the OR table roughly 75 minutes after my symptoms started, and because of that reaction time, I'm now fully recovered with only 1 to 2% of my heart function not there anymore.
Wow.
Which is a highly successful result for an event like that.
Well, and I was going to say, I mean, Chris, you could tell obviously in very good shape, a bicyclist before and continuing to do it now because of the fact that it is so important. Heart disease is the #1 killer and a silent killer. You obviously don't look like someone who would fit the profile. So you got to keep pedaling, you got to keep riding, and that's why we're out here today. The event is actually in October. We're going to have more information on our website, kwgn.com, where you can sign up for this fun event. And, I'm just going to keep riding. See you guys in a little bit.
That's
I guess
great.
I need to pedal faster to look like I'm really doing something, right?
No, we need it because actually those bikes today are providing electricity for the building.
They are, so just keep it going, Heather.
I better keep going then.
Keep us on the air as long as you can. It's like a telethon. All right, let's get over to Chris Tomer because it is a lot of people will be biking to work.
Here in the Vail Valley, a nice morning as well.